Following NBA legend Kobe Bryant's tragic death on the morning of Sunday, January 26, 2020, the world has been in a state of shock. Not long after the devastating news broke, fans gathered outside the Staples Center, a place where, as a Los Angeles Laker, Bryant played countless games over his 20-year career. As the Los Angeles Times revealed, supporters of the sports hero brought purple candles, worn basketballs, and angel wings, among many other offerings.
Everybody's in grief, everybody's mourning, everybody has respect for this man and his family and his daughter.
As some supporters took to mourning in real life, other celebrities, fans, and fellow sports alums took to the online world to express their grief. Shaquille O'Neal, Bryant's former teammate, tweeted, "There's no words to express the pain I'm going through with this tragedy of losing my niece, Gigi, and my brother, Kobe Bryant. I love you and you will be missed. My condolences goes out to the Bryant family and the families of the other passengers on board. I'm sick right now." While the public has been incredibly vocal about the passing of such a legendary sports figure, Bryant's family have remained largely silent as they process the sudden and tragic loss of the NBA star and his 13-year-old daughter, Gianna. However, in the days following the heart-wrenching crash, Kobe's sister was the first to use social media to share a tribute to the athlete. On the evening of January 27th, Sharia Washington took to her now-deleted Facebook account to post a touching photo tribute to Bryant and Gianna, updating her Facebook cover photo to this collage. As the New York Post reported, Washington's profile photo was changed to, quote, "just a circle of mourning black." Her cover photo, meanwhile, included 10 snapshots, including of her smiling NBA legend brother cradling some of his 4 daughters as babies. Meanwhile, Kobe's wife Vanessa was moved to speak out thanks to the incredible support she has received from the world. She wrote on Instagram on January 29th, in part, "My girls and I want to thank the millions of people who've shown support and love during this horrific time. Thank you for all the prayers. We definitely need them. We are also devastated for the families who lost their loved ones on Sunday, and we share in their grief intimately." Although the Bryant family has largely mourned privately during this very difficult time, numerous celebrities have since poured their hearts out on television over Bryant's death, including Shaq in a heartbreaking moment on TNT.
I'm going to try to do a better job of just reaching out and just talking to the people rather than always procrastinating, because you never know.
Our condolences to Kobe's grieving family and friends. For more information on how to donate to the Mamba on 3 Fund, which was established to help the families of the lesser-known victims of the crash, visit mambaon3.org.